Hello everyone! Today we're making a traditional Goan sweet dish called Alle Belle, soft, thin pancakes filled with a delicious coconut and jaggery filling. Ingredients for batter and filling. Let's start by preparing the filling. In a bowl, take 1 2-cup sugarcane jaggery and a small piece of palm jaggery. Add 1 tsp of sugar. Now take a pan and add 1 cup coconut. Add a jaggery mix and 1 or 4 tsp cardamom powder. Heat it on a low flame for about a minute until the jaggery softens. Now switch off the flame and mix everything well with your hand so there are no sugarcane chunks. Our sweet filling is ready, keep it aside. Next, let's prepare the pancake batter. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour. Add 1 egg. Salt. Gradually pour in water while mixing continuously. The batter should be very thin and smooth. This helps make soft and delicate pancakes. Consistency should be like water. Now heat a pan and lightly grease it with ghee or oil. Make sure the pan is hot. Slowly pour the batter while swirling the pan to spread it evenly. Be patient and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Once the sides start leaving the pan, remove and place it on a plate. Add the coconut filling in the center, fold both sides and roll it gently. And there you have it, delicious homemade Goan Alle Belle ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.